Hello, everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to conduct a one proportion z-test. You'll have to make sure that you have a project selected, okay, as I do here. When you go to the analyses, select one proportion z-test, and then add a proportion name. I'll just say males, and the sample size, I'll just say 1,000. And in our sample of 1,000, we have a proportion of 40%, and we want to test it against the proportions of 50%. We think that there's half males, half females in the population. Click calculate. Here is the auto-drafted results. Here we can see for normality can be assumed, okay, with that sample size. And the results of the one proportion z-test was significant. And because we can see that the p-value is less than 0.01. Okay. And that suggests that males in this population were unlikely to be produced by this 50-50 proportion out in the world. And here we also have the confidence intervals, okay, for males and our APA 7th edition table. And we have nice scrollovers as well. And when you're all finished with that, just go ahead and click download document. And that's how you conduct a one proportion z-test using Intellectus.